Hi, this is the ABS team. In this video, we'll show you how to submit an e-invoice using the ABS accounting system. Click on Sales, then select Sales Invoice. Enter the value to search for the invoice. Once you've found the invoice, click Edit. Before proceeding, make sure the account code has been created under the chart of accounts. Click on e-invoice to review the guest information and fill in the necessary information. The contact number must start with plus and country code. When everything looks correct, click Submit and wait for the success message to appear. If you need to cancel the submission, click Cancel Doc, provide a reason, OK, and the submission will be cancelled. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.